Well, we're gaining some daylight. We have warmer temperatures this week. A little chance for snow, little chance for rain. Not a bad week overall. We don't have a deep freeze like what we've been experiencing the last several days and through the weekend. And check out these sunrise sunset times today. That sunset at 4:45. We're getting later. February 14th, that's Valentine's Day, 5:14. And then we spring forward March 10th. So that sunset in Boston goes to 6:45. That's exciting. So things are looking up here. Temperatures are going up too. We're 29 in the city now, low 30s across much of southeastern Mass, as well as around Nashua, 34. Bedford, you're still at 27, but this morning we started off with lows in the teens and single digits, and it felt like near zero from time to time with a little breeze factored in. The rest of today, we're 37 degrees. Overnight chance for a flurry in 31. We keep it pretty mild thanks to a southwest wind, thanks to the clouds acting like a blanket, trapping in some of that daytime heat. Tomorrow, any sunshine will then focus in towards snow showers. So 39 degrees for the high tomorrow, and we have more clouds expected too during the day. First Alert Live radar shows our next system. Right now, we have high pressure in control, so it stays dry. It also stays nice and sunny. But back to the west here, wow, the Midwest and parts of, well, Oklahoma, Missouri, Illinois, Arkansas, just a nightmare, an ice storm going on. I saw lots of semis, jackknifed, things like that along the interstates down there. So they have quite a mess with the ice accumulation. We're not going to see ice from this storm system, but we will see a transition from snow to eventually some rain as a stationary front kind of sets up right across New England. So Tuesday, 5 o'clock, we start to see these snow showers across Boston and much of northern New England. But our roads are going to be so warm that I'm not too concerned that we're going to see many slick spots. The thing is, overnight, once the sun sets into Wednesday morning, then things may get icy on any untreated roads or back roads, neighborhood roads too. And snow continues to pile up in some locations. It's a very light snowfall for us as we go through Wednesday afternoon. The last little bit of snow moves out of parts of northern New England. So scattered coatings to 1 inch. That's what we're looking at Tuesday night into Wednesday, around 1 inch, especially on grassy areas. Around 2 inches for our friends across the southern Green Mountains, the Berkshires, and southern New Hampshire too. So around Boston, coating to 1 inch. We can handle that, no problem. Any of that stuff gets melted away and washed away too as rain pushes into the forecast Thursday and Friday. Plus we have a system that moves to the north. And so this is going to help for that warmer air to surge in. High temps of the 40s, some 50s expected by Friday. With those scattered rain showers too, it's going to be a messy end of the week, but at least it's nice and mild. Cold front after that, we wrap up the rain by Friday afternoon, and then we'll slowly see a cool down, but I'm not tracking cold temperatures like what we had over the weekend. We're back to the 30s for the end of next week. So there's your 10-day forecast. We have a chance for light snow Tuesday into Wednesday, some rain Thursday, Friday with 50 by Friday, and the weekend doesn't look too bad. Saturday, 48 and some sun.